Hi, my name is Elijah. This is the first video on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing some donuts on a motorbike.